All right. Morning. What's your energy drinks? All right. Free energy drinks. I gotta have. That's a new flavor. Swirling pop. Swirling pop. Let's try that. And candy apple. Oh yeah.
You're open today, right?
Today's the opener.
You get better open today?
Yep. Yeah, everyone's been waiting for it. It's a long wait, but finally here.
What part are you going to?
Just down here at the River Road here. Yeah. It's usually where everyone goes. But I gotta have my energy, man. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. You got a little robo action juice?
Oh yeah, yep. I'm starting a channel here.
Oh, yeah?
I got a channel up right now. I'm working on it.
Oh, yeah?
But if you want to check it out, it's Hella Fish.
Hella Fish?
Yeah, HELL-FISH.
I'll check it out, bro.
Yeah, check it out. All right, take care. Here we go. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It is 5:15 in the morning right now. Waiting for the sun to rise so we can get down there and catch some fish. So stay tuned and don't miss out on this one. See ya. All right. Let's see. Gotta get my energy up. Here we go. Hard to see, but we'll get it. This place is a jungle.
It was. Yeah, they're not even fucking.
Got another fish on. Too easy, man. Too easy. Kind of looks like a king. We shall see. Like a king to me. Chris, toss me that net when you're done, all right? Nah, we're good. Okay, go ahead, fish. Thanks, though. Chris. Wait. It's a little bigger than before. Wait till you see it, alright? Wait till you see its head. It should be a little easier than that this time.
Oh, man. It's a fucking... It should make us look like retards.
Alright, so it's right in front of me. Hold on. There you go. Ooh, that was a little bit bigger. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Remember how I showed you how to net them underneath? Yeah, like that. Ah, don't go over there. Don't go over there. Right in front of you. Hold on. Wait till you see it. Okay, it's right in front of you now. See it? Underneath. Under. All right, walk back. Don't touch the line though. Just walk back. There you go. Here we go. He'll tire out. Yeah, see it? Wait for it. Wait till you see the head. Here's your chance. There you go. Good job. Yeah, this one's a little bit bigger.
It's a fucking bigger guy. Getting bigger.
Yeah, they're getting bigger. Thanks. Thank you. Ah, shit. Alright guys, so that's it. Got my limit. Time to go home.